Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back, everyone. It's so good to have you in my studio. Let's make some jumbo card. But before that, let's see a quick glimpse of the Autumn Tales book. Super, super pretty. I absolutely adore the color palette in this one. I decided to go for a beautiful little background with leaves, kind of tree leaves, looking really unique and special, I think. And I love the colors as well here. And I like this tool that I'm using for cutting the paper, ripping the paper. I think it's super fun. It's actually metal ruler. I got it ages ago. I have two of them and I have gifted one to Emily and she also loves it. And it's great for ripping paper because you don't really have to cut it if you don't mind the edges. And then, of course, I have added some little bits and pieces from the book, and we have some little fairy, we've got some pumpkins, we've got a birdie, and I'm fussy cutting that to create a little scenery. I'm using just a regular Pritt stick for my background. It's slightly bigger than the card itself, and we will be chopping the side of the background as well. The little thing that I will be using later on, the little acetate sheet or whichever, the translucent sheet, it's actually such a cool thing. You need to watch it till the end, because I love the idea that came to me later on when I tried to make the card different, unique and special. I honestly should apologize for not being around for the challenge, and to be honest, time just flies, especially this season where you have Halloween, when you have autumn, when it's Christmas around the corner and winter. And as the creator of the books at the moment, a full-time creator, and the fact that I know everyone's waiting for the next book, it's very difficult for me to juggle the time, honestly, between making the books, using them, taking part in the challenge, being active with the videos as well. It is just a little difficult, so that's why it took me a few weeks to get back to you, but I really hope that I'm kind of there in terms of coming back to my regular times, especially that the girls are in school and some books are out already, like the autumn one or Halloweeny. Now it's just we have winter and Christmas ahead, and you can imagine I am absolutely working on some little secret projects towards that. But let's see this beautiful little translucent page with the white elements on it. This one is from Studio Light. My friend Janine Simerick, she created it. She's the designer and I just love it. I'll be back to it for sure for the cards, for card making windows and making it 3D, like a dimensional. I think it's phenomenal. So I really enjoyed using it. I think it created such a depth and such a really special and different feeling about the little project, and it made the project far more special, I think, really. And I didn't know how exactly attach it. I was just thinking as well and looking for the exact design, where to place it, how it's going to look the best. It's a great product. As you can see, I'm using puncher, and you can punch out the edges, punch out the corners. I mean, it's perfectly fine because it's not that thick. It's very thick, but not that thick. You can still use the puncher, no problem. And look, everything is coming together, looking really beautiful. I love the dimensional feel. I love how just delicate it feels all together. I decided to go for the elements on top of that translucent piece with just a regular glue, and now days later when I'm recording this voiceover, I can tell you that it's still there, stuck to the page, so there's no problem with using the glue. If you hear a little tiny noises, moaning or something, it's my puppy. She's on my laps. She's trying to get out, but I can't let her go at this moment because I'm on my own in the house, and I really wish to finish this voiceover and give you the actual video on my channel, because I know how much everyone is waiting for this card. I tell you that I have the next card recorded and I'm loving it as well. So soon there's going to be another card, because I worked a little bit ahead of time, which is great. So I'm adding elements, making a little composition, and thinking, I think the sharpness, it's not great at the moment of the video. I don't know, like it's not focusing as much, but I hope you can still see how gorgeous this works. And I decided to add the actual translucent page with the foam, and that way it's going to give me this 3D feel, and it certainly looks much nicer. And also I used a hot glue gun, oh my baby, hot glue gun, to attach everything. The actual foam, it's sticky itself, but then afterwards I attached the glue as well. So we're nearly there, my beautiful friends. For a change, I didn't add splashes, which is weird, but I'm looking at the project right now and it's just so perfect. Very little element, but how beautiful. My gorgeous, beautiful, super awesome crafty friends. I hope you liked it, enjoyed it, and I hope you will join the challenge. And you don't need to start from day one. You can just start here with this super cute little autumn project. Till the next time, my friends, I'll see you very soon. I love you loads. Bye for now. Bye bye. Happy crafting.